In peptide manufacturing, precision begins where the eye can no longer see, because every gram counts. Accurate weighing is a critical step that ensures quality and compliance from the very start of the process. That's why GMP control starts at the scale, setting the foundation for reliable and consistent results. From chemical synthesis to fermentation, METTLER Toledo provides precise weighing solutions that help you ensure material traceability, accurate inputs, and fully documented outputs. Our hygienic and hazardous compliance systems are designed to maintain cleanliness and safety by minimizing contamination, preserving process sterility, and protecting processes and operators from explosion risks, even in the most sensitive or hazardous environments. Connected systems unify all weighing data, enabling yield reconciliation, batch traceability, and real-time monitoring, whether you're working with batch or continuous production. With modular scales that grow alongside your process, we support your scale up from grams to kilograms,